Hello, sir. Good morning. I want to introduce first myself. My name is Agnes Eversolisihan, and then you can call me Agnes. My student's identity number is 21220006. So I am from crossing class. So now today I want to presentate about what kind of media that I use for my students to teach English. So as usually, we use Zoom to give our lessons to our students. So through the Zoom, our students can see what lesson that we teach to them. So we explain also for the meaning, definition, and maybe for example, let's say we give the grammar lesson to them, and then we explain first about the grammar, about the tense, and then the rules. After that, not only that one, we give the quizzes or games to students. So we make the building and we make it interactive so the students will understand about the lesson that we give to them. So let's say I want to introduce my PowerPoint that I use to my students to explain about my lesson to my students. Let's say.
So for example, I explain about telling the time. This is for my students, 4th grade. And I explain first where is the small hand, big hand, and then where is the clock, and what is the AM and PM. Okay, let's say I explain also there are two common ways of telling the time. So the first, we can say the hour and then the minutes. After that, the second, we can say the minutes, after that the hour. So there are two kinds of minutes. They are to and also past. So I explain also about that. And also I explain what is the quarter, what is the past. Okay. Here is the PowerPoint that I give to my students, sir. Here, so I explain also what is the 1 o'clock, what is quarter, what is quarter past, and also this one. Okay, after my student can understand, I will give the quizzes. For example, this one, I show first for the clock, and then they will mention what is the small hand, and then what is the big hand. So they should know for example. And also here, I give also these quizzes. Okay.
Okay, after I give the lessons through the Zoom, I will ask my students to answer the quizzes that I already arranged. So for example, let's say I give 25 questions for the quizzes. So I will say, if you can answer all the quizzes or the questions that Miss Agnes will give to you, you will get the point. So they have a good spirit, so they eager to answer all the quizzes, all the games. And that's after they answer, that's become their point. And that's the benefit for them. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for watching my video presentation about the kind of media that I use for teaching English to my students. And this is my innovation. So I give the quizzes after I explain the lessons. I give also the quizzes. I want to know, are they understanding or not? If not, okay, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I will repeat it. That's my way, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Bye bye.